happy Thursday. Welcome back to my channel. So today is our third day in Florida, and today's Universal Day. So the first day we just we checked into the hotel. We spent the day at the hotel water park. So we are staying at the Grove Resort and Water Park. It's about 20 minutes from Disney, and we got a 2-bedroom like condo basically. So 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. We have a living room, we have a kitchen behind me, dining table, like the whole thing. And we did this so that we could share a room with our friends Gopi and Jay. So they're here with us today if you guys haven't seen the previous vlog. So today I am getting ready, and it's about, let's see, it's 8:12. So we're getting ready to head out to Universal. Gopi just came out. Won't put her in frame until she's feeling good and ready. She came to do her makeup with me. So are you okay?
Yeah.
Gopi silently struggles in the corner. I keep hitting my elbow on like the corner of this table right here. I keep doing it. I feel like I'm gonna have a little bruise here when we leave. Like getting wounded. So excited though, you guys. Gopi and Jay are going to show us around Universal because they have been to the Florida Universal well, a lot more recently than we have. They went, what, a year ago, 2 years ago?
Yeah, like a year and a half ago.
Year and a half. Last time I went was 5th grade. Last time Darren went was in a past life. So they are going to show us the way. So we showed them the Disney way, even though, you know, we hadn't been to this one, but you know the ropes. You know how to strategize, you know how to hit the rides, you know all that jazz, you know the snacks you need to get. So we took them on a proper Disney day. So I'm very excited to see this. So I think Harry Potter and the Pirates of the Caribbean. Dinosaur.
Haunted World and California.
What's the other? The Jurassic Park.
Yes.
Those are the top 2 we're hitting.
I think so, yeah.
Okay, those are the top 2. Gonna make sure that we hit. But of course, a bunch of other stuff as well. I keep opening and closing things because I'm forgetting what I'm doing. Okay, well, I'm going to finish getting ready. I will see you guys in a bit, but I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe below. Give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get into it. Okay, guys, so I'm ready, but I'm trying to find somewhere. Okay guys, so I'm ready for Universal. So I've changed like 6 times. So I'm wearing this express bodysuit, and I'm wearing these kind of like retro jean shorts, and I'm wearing Chucks. I was gonna bring my Disney bag to both parks, but they were like, that's too big for Universal. So they're lending me this Lululemon little strappy situation. I've never worn a purse like this. So I feel out of my element, but at least I can carry all my things. So we are about to switch to the G7X. Hold my hair again. You guys, I'm so sunburned. Let me show you this. I wonder if you're gonna be able to see it on camera. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but basically I am so red that, like, you know when you press down and then it's like white and slowly goes back to like red? That's what I have going on right now. It's not cute. But the alternative was like jeans, and apparently there are several water rides, so that wasn't working. And then I didn't bring workout leggings, and so this is it. No, but I have Zyrtec. Okay. Okay, we're getting ready to go. So I'm gonna switch the cameras. See you in Universal. We just got to Universal. It is raining a little bit. It is very cloudy. It is very cold. And we're in shorts, so could have planned better. Alright, so Gopi and Jay are picking up their tickets right now from Will Call. Our tickets are on our phone on the app. But you guys, the first thing I saw as we were getting past security is they have a Bubba Gump. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Actually, you guys might not know. I don't know that I talk about it very often because we don't have a Bubba Gump like near us, but I'm obsessed. Like when we go to Santa Monica, we go to San Francisco, or we go to like Monterey, you best believe we're hitting up Bubba Gump. So we do have Gopi and Jay, so we're gonna see if I can convince them to Bubba Gump it up with me, or if they're gonna wanna go to places that are only here, which I could be open to, but it's just so hard to say no to a Bubba Gump. Can you guys see like the bags under my eyes? I am so freaking tired. Okay, so waking up on East Coast time is rough enough as it is, though we also didn't go to bed till midnight, and then woke up at 7, aka like 4 a.m. our time. So it's a hard knock life right now. Are you excited for Universal? Darren has been such a trooper. So for some reason our hotel does not have coffee like in the room.
It has a coffee machine,
but no filters and no coffee.
Yeah.
So it's like a tease. So basically, Darren's been such a trooper. He's been getting up each morning, walking down the lobby, getting us coffee and bringing it back, and we're on the 7th floor, so it is quite a feat.
It's necessary though.
It's so necessary, and he's just been, I mean, our hero, because we wouldn't survive without it. So, you know, we're surviving.
We're out here.
Guys, this will call business is no joke. They've been there for like 10 minutes.
Well, they couldn't find the reservation.
Oh, so now they're looking it up? Okay, I have something in my eye. I need to figure that out. Anyway, see you guys in the park. Okay, look how cool this is. Gopi and Jay are still working on getting their tickets. All right, this place right here looks so freaking cool. Despite the fact that it's the Chocolate Emporium, apparently it's a restaurant. So I don't know if it's like chocolate food or what. We have a Hard Rock. The Bubba Gump is all the way out in the front. Have my lovely companion. Hi. And then there's some like sushi places. Okay, that is interesting. The Cowfish, sushi, and a burger place. We got a Margaritaville though. I know that combination. I'm like, I mean, those are a little too different to be pairing together.
Chinese and Japanese.
Oh yeah, it's like either or, either or. Oh, that looks cool. A cool place to like watch a game or something. Oh my gosh, we are approaching the Universal Globe. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. We're coming in to get a photo. Not loving all the mist. My hair is already trashed. The adventure begins. Let's go. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cool. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm used to seeing like Disney and all of their stuff, but I have never seen the Universal. Christmas store.
Yeah, we'll hit it on the way out.
Are we? Okay, I need a guarantee. Okay, you're on video. This is proof. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, we have to come back here. I need to get my Christmas ornament before we leave. But I agree, do it at the end so I don't have to carry it all day. Gopi, the cute little over the shoulder. Strutting. Okay, right off the bat, whatever this one is, looks terrifying. I did not realize how aggressive some of these rides were. Guys, I'm not ready for this. Okay, we are in Jurassic Park. We just went on a water ride. Things were rough. But now we are not at the other ride. What? Okay, we don't know where we are. All right, we ended up buying the fast pass after we got here. So okay, we're in Harry Potter land. This food smells so good. It took forever to come out. So here we are. Let's feast. Does it look familiar? Oh my gosh. Oh, no? This way? This way?
Where's our people?
Okay, here we are. Let's do Butterbeer.
Thank you. All right,
Thank you so much.
Shots out front.
Bartender told us to add it slowly.
Don't give any names.
Unclear. No names. This is like a cinnamon whiskey. Not Fireball, we've been informed, but an equivalent.
It's slow because the foam goes everywhere.
Oh,
that's why.
Girl,
I'm always your girl.
All right, we are gonna do a taste test. Okay.
Test
Hey, hold on.
Well, where did you get a straw?
I just found the last one. My
You
bad.
found it?
No, I did not find it. It was right here, and it was okay. It was in here. I opened it, and then I put it in.
Okay, at least you.
Okay.
That sounded very suspect. Weird. That sounded very suspect. I hope that was on camera. No.
Can I mix it for you?
Okay. It was
Here's
in
a wrapper.
plastic. We have
I have a
we
wrapper.
have
We know
the
it
wrapper.
was. We know it was not
was
a you
fresh.
on your straw.
Yes. Well,
The
apparently
presentation of that was questionable at best.
Okay, ready?
Okay. Here we go.
Oh my god. Got
That
milk.
was really good. Can I have my found?
So it's like,
Oh.
so it tastes like
Oh.
a butterscotch milkshake, and then we added
No, I
in
said, oh, he wanted my
not Fireball,
keeps
but a
throwing
cinnamon
the phone.
whiskey, and it's I don't know, it's just like
Okay,
super
what's
refreshing. What do you
familiar?
think?
I love it. It's like shortbread, butterscotch, and cinnamon whiskey.
Yes. Okay. But amazing. You do have an option of just
It's
getting
so.
it
It's like
cold.
Christmas in a cup.
And then the whole everything's like frozen and like the snow. Do we need to be December?
It's December 2024 if you're watching this.
Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. We are
We'll see you in
moving- We are
2025.
moving straight. Dude, do you see the amount of like, I have like frosting all over my camera. Guys, things are getting wild. Anywho, love it. I would say 8 or 9 out of 10. What would you say?
10.
We love it. So I can't speak for the frozen because we all got the cold, but definitely recommend. And we got a double shot of the cinnamon whiskey, and I would say it adds a little bit of flavor, but it is such a strong flavor on its own that it's not like getting a double, so not overwhelming at all. So I would recommend. If we're gonna be in the back, we expect to be in the back. We're trying to get the front. We've been trying to get the front this entire day and yesterday.
back.
Wait, we get the kitty right front.
Been in the back. Every
They feel like that's all we can handle.
Sorry, regular, right?
The only one we could have
Front, we're front. I repeat, we are front. We are front. We are front. Mission accomplished.
Number 2.
Oh, well, we're front. We're still front. Okay, we just got to Universal. Apparently we were somewhere else first. Where were we first, guys? Where were we first? Like if this is Universal.
Islands of Adventure.
Okay, we were at Islands of Adventure. Now we are in Universal. And we have Pier 41, which is a wannabe Pier 39 in San Francisco. All right, Gopi is about to take us into the Harry Potter world. I thought we were here, but apparently she's going to show us. Oh, I hear the sound of like bricks moving. Oh. Well, where the heck were we before? Because this is way cooler.
This is Diagon Alley.
Oh, I love it.
Look, it goes that way too.
Oh, this is so cool.
See the big dragon?
I feel like we should go.
No.
I feel like we should go.
It actually turns on every 30 minutes. Yeah, so it should be on any time.
I'm not sure. I'm not even sure what ride this is. This is one of the Harry Potter ones. All right, we are at the Harry Potter bank. Here we go. Woo! Okay, here we go. Okay guys, the next happiest place on earth, bubblegum. I'm so excited. Oh yes. Oh yes. It's everything. Actually, I kind of do. Oh, I am so excited. Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes. It is my favorite.